the Japan shop.
It's a long story in Japanese.
いろいろありまして。
Learning useful phrases that you can quickly drop into a conversation will give your speaking a boost. In this series, we'll explore phrases that are used all the time in casual conversation. Today's phrase is
いろいろありまして。いろいろありまして。
Literally, this means various things happened and. But a better translation, depending on the context, would be it's a long story. I've been through a lot. A lot happened. Basically, it's a way to avoid the details or to sum up usually bad things with a generalization.
いろいろありまして。
Is used when you don't necessarily want to explain the circumstances. You broke up with your girlfriend, you lost your job, etc. It can also be used in a less serious way to show sympathy or understanding of someone else's issues.
いろいろありましてね。
You've been through a lot, I see. Or the more casual form.
いろいろあってね。
Instead of the te form, you can also use the past tense with practically the same meaning.
いろいろありました。
Conversation.
なんで仕事辞めたの？
いろいろあって。
そうですか。なんで仕事辞めたの？
Why did you quit your job?
いろいろあって。
It's a long story.
そうですか。
I see.
なんで仕事辞めたの？
いろいろあって。
そうですか。どうしてパーティーに来なかった？
いろいろあって結局行けなかった。
あ、そう。残念だったね。どうしてパーティーに来なかった？
Why didn't you come to the party?
いろいろあって結局行けなかった。
A lot of things came up and I just couldn't make it.
あ、そう。残念だったね。
All right. I'm sorry to hear that.
どうしてパーティーに来なかった？
いろいろあって結局行けなかった。
あ、そう。残念だったね。
Memorize this phrase, say it many, many times, and you'll be ready to use it when the opportunity arises.
皆さん、頑張りましょう！